Hey people, welcome back to the channel. We have the second episode in this little mini series of best Galaxy S21 cases featured on Amazon, best reviewed cases. So today we have this bad boy right here. Let's focus on that. Crave Protection Series case. So made by Crave, and it's ultra slim design, premium quality, precise cutouts, and shock absorption. So also has an unlimited warranty if you're interested in that. But as always, for Galaxy S21 in matte black. So all these cases I got are all in matte black. The previous one I did was also black. That one, the ESR case, not a big fan of it just because the cheap materials. Hopefully this is an upgrade from that. Packaging, pretty standard. I mean, like maybe slightly better than the ESR case, but without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's hop up into a bird's eye view and actually check out this Crave S21 case. Okay, so here we got the case itself, Crave Protection Series. Let's focus up on that. Move my keyboard out of the way too. So yeah, as you can see, here's all like the advertisements as I described earlier, and let's just hop right into this. See what we got in the case, in the box, sorry. Right off the bat, I can tell this feels more premium than the other case I reviewed. I think that's literally it. I don't think there's anything in the box. Yeah, there's literally nothing in here other than just the case itself, which is kind of strange. But yeah, there's getting straight to it. So this definitely feels much more premium, in my opinion. Has a nice texture to it. Crave logo right there. Metal on the side for the buttons. I think that's metal, not plastic. Could be, but I think it's also removable if you want to take these out. I'm not going to test it. I can't remove it at the moment, but it does look to be somewhat... Maybe it's not removable. I don't know, but as you can see here is like the pattern for the actual like drop protection, so it like disperses the impact, so it's not gonna like crack or destroy your phone. But overall, I like the feel of this. Honestly, this is more grippy than my case at the moment. Here are the cutouts on the top, volume buttons, cutouts for the bottom. Pretty good. Although, is there a cutout for the microphone? Okay, well, this is backwards. There we go. So, okay, yes, I thought there was a microphone over here. I think this is going to encompass that as well. Just a different design than mine. The other side, which this is pretty similar. So, Torres, Crave. Let's pop the Torres off. And let's slap on the Crave. Let's see how we do here. So here's a new one, much more rugged. I don't know what I'm trying to say here. Rugged compared to the Torres. Torres is still like solid and all. It's not flimsy by no means, but I think the Crave here is even better in terms of how strong it is, and probably more shatter resistant to be honest. But let's pop this in and see how we do. Okay, I think that's secured all the way. Oh yeah. Oh no, this feels good. This feels clean. Although one gripe I do have, and I don't know if it can be fixed at all. The volume buttons are clicky and all, but they wobble a little, which is kind of weird. They're like wobbling back and forth here, like they're not just like standing still and like fixed. I think that's something you can get rid of. It's definitely more pronounced on the power button itself. You can probably see this too, right here as I'm moving my finger. It's like wobbling around, which, I mean, you're still going to get the power button every time. Like it's covering the entire surface of the power button, but I don't know why this isn't just standing in place. I don't know if you can secure it any more than that. Maybe I dislodged it, but I don't know. But overall, I think this feels great. Pretty happy about this, to be honest. I guess, like, even though this is a little wobbly, which I gotta knock off a little points for, but, like, they're more pronounced than the Torres, the volume buttons, so you can find them more easily. So, like, if I want to go click the power button, I can find it like a little faster than this because this is sticking out slightly more. Like this one is a little bit more raised, if you know what I'm trying to say here. But yeah, buttons are still clicky, no issues with that. There's the camera, there's me. Yeah, man. I didn't, like, this was, I think this had like the least amount of reviews out of all the cases I looked at. Um, but yeah, honestly, a kind of underrated case. I could definitely rock this over the Taurus. It's definitely more secure than my Taurus at the moment. Camera cutouts look pretty seamless. I don't see any issues there. Maybe there's like a very, very slight gap in between the camera housing and here, but that's like so minor. I like the grip of this though. It's good grip. Hear that? It's always something dislodged in the S21. I don't know what it is, but yeah, compact, slim case, doesn't add like any bulk to the device, and I think that's going to protect your phone if you drop it. And it's slightly heavier than the Taurus, so just keep that in mind. It's going to add slightly more weight to your pocket. But overall, I think this is a good one. This is solid. And you're never going to get any like fingerprints on here or anything like that. I like the textured back. It's got like sort of like a carbon fiber feel, but I like this case. And yeah, this one gets the thumbs up for me. Okay, so that's going to be it for the Crave Slim black case for the Galaxy S21 6.2-inch model. This is the second video I've done in this series. Hope you all enjoyed it. Hope you learned something useful. Yeah, honestly, I could rock this over the Taurus. I'd say they're like pretty equal for the most part. I guess you could go for the Taurus if you want lightweight, and if you want to go with the Crave, you want something more sturdy, more rugged, easier grip, better to hold, and maybe more pronounced buttons right here. I'm still curious if you can actually remove these. You might be able to, you might not. I'll have to check. But yeah, definitely a solid case. I'd rate it. Here it is, one last final look at the case itself. Links below. Go check it out. We'll see you in the next video, everyone. Peace. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, do all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next one.